Okay, so hi dear Virgo, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is Journal 7 Days 7 Tarot Messages for all the Virgo Sun Moon Venus or Rising from 27th of July till the 2nd of August 2026. Keep in mind this is general. This might or might not resonate with you. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you. Okay, for personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below, and for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. Virgo, the overall energy for Virgo people for this week. Let's see. रफ्ता रफ्ता होले होले दिल को चुराया तूने दिल को तो पता भी ना चला. For Virgo people, we have the Two of Cups. You guys are going to be super focused on creating that kind of energies around you that are very close to your heart and soul. That gives you love, that makes you feel at home, that makes you feel safe, secure, and loved. For most of you, it's about something related to your home or home environment that you guys are going to be focused on. But for others of you, it can be related to your romantic love situation right now. You might be focused on improving that situation in your life. And third part is you might be focused on balancing your emotional and practical side, balancing your feminine and your masculine side, and you're going to be super focused on creating a balanced kind of approach towards life, towards your situations, and towards people and things around you, right? So I gave you three energies here. Pick which one is yours, but you are going to be mostly, whatever it is, you are going to be mostly focused on emotionally balancing yourself and operating from a part of middle ground. Somehow middle ground is the word for you guys for this week. 27th, we have the Two of Swords. You guys are going to be on the crossroads, not being able to see the clear picture of the situation behind, right in front of you. It's like you are going to be blindfolded by your own thoughts, and your heart chakra is going to be completely blocked. So there is a situation that needs your attention, that needs you to make some kind of decision or choice, but you guys are going to be up in the air. You guys are going to be on the crossroads, mostly about the situation. 28, we have the Page of Swords. You will be learning something online, starting or restarting something online. This is going to be like one of those phases where you are wanting to start something from a very long time. Now you're going to get this opportunity to do that. Either you will be learning like as a proper student, or you will be learning new skills to enhance something, to get something done in your life, and you wanted to do something about the situation from quite a long time now. Now you're getting the opportunity to do something. For some of you, you are going to start or restart your education if you were not able to do that. But there is a lot of energy of being a student, being a learner, and doing something online, starting or restarting something, mostly online, long distance education thing. Okay, applying for something. So we have 27, 28, 29th, we have the Seven of Swords. Some kind of deceptive energies are going to come out. Somebody who tried to steal from you, cheated on you, or lied to you, or did something wrong behind your back. There are very good chances of you guys getting to know about it. Okay, for others of you, it might be your cheating, your deception, or something not so good that you did at some point of time with someone is going to come out. It's like a secret is going to be out, and it's going to uh, actually set you free. Even if it is going to be bothersome and painful for some time, it's going to actually set you free, as if you're going to come out of some kind of illusion or delusion. Okay, 27, 28, 29. 30th, we have the Seven of Wands. It's like you guys trying to protect yourself at any cost from something or someone that is not making you happy, or that is not making you feel at peace anymore. It's like at any cost you are going to keep yourself in a protection bubble, in an energy bubble of feeling like a safe space or something, because you feel like if you're not going to open up to something, or if you are going to keep yourself safe and secure, you don't have to open up to something or someone that's not good for you. For some of you, it's like fighting for yourself, taking a stand for yourself, for something that you believe in. So don't stop yourself from going in the right direction, Virgo. Even if you think the whole world is against you, but if you're right, you're right. You actually should be right, right? Okay. 27, 28, 29, 30. 31st, we have the Ace of Swords. Crystal clear clarity about something. Some kind of truth is going to come out, and or you are going to have this aha moment of getting some kind of clarity or truth about a situation, and it's going to make you feel like, okay, finally, I got the truth about the situation. I got the clarity about a situation. After lots of conflicts and chaos and ifs and buts and this and that, finally you are going to get some kind of success and victory in a situation that you were feeling you are going down, or you're not getting the answer or the clarity. Hmm? So the clarity, the truth, the answer is going to be right in front of you. The cutthroat, the bare naked truth about a situation. Again, even if it is going to bother you or hurt you for some time, it's actually going to lead to some kind of major success in the coming future. Now, before proceeding further, let me invite you guys for 7 days, 7 chakras, 7 Osho meditations online camp that's happening from 1st till the 7th of September 2026, 9 till the 10 a.m. in the morning. And we are going to focus on healing and releasing all the blockages of your 7 chakras. You are going to feel much more lighter, much more peaceful and happier. Depends on person to person how many blockages or how much of a baggage you are carrying within your energies. Okay, but if you are going to join all the 7 days, 7 chakra, 7 healing meditations, it is definitely going to have a very good impact on your healing process. It will accelerate your healing or your spiritual journey. So if you want to start or restart your spiritual or healing journey, or you want to enter into Osho's world, this is a fantastic opportunity. The fees for Indians is quite affordable. It's 3500 for 7 days camp, and for others it's 200 USD. Timings I told you. The two things: you should be above 16, and you should have the courage to come in front of the camera, so that I can talk to you. Okay, if you don't, if you cannot switch on your camera, and I will block you from the class. This is for sure. So please make sure you can come with confidence, okay, with that energy of keeping your camera open. Cool. And all other instructions and everything you can read in the link that's given in the description box. You can click on the link, you can read all the instructions and everything before applying, then only apply, because the fees is non-refundable. So I'll see you on the other side. Very excited to share this journey with you guys. It's very healing. It's something that's going to start or accelerate your healing process in a very, very genuine way. It's a catalyst of your healing. Anyways, for 1st of August, we have the Queen of Swords. You are going to be very, very pissed off or angry on certain people, situations, or maybe on yourself. So you are going to be operating from the energy of anger or frustration, but at the same time, cutthroat and clear cut energy of, this is what it is, this is how it is going to be, and I'm not going to compromise about this particular thing in my life ever. So there is going to be this no compromise attitude of yours on this particular day, because you are going to be done. You're going to be in this energy of, enough is enough, I don't want to deal with this crap anymore, I have to cut something or someone out of my system, I'll do that. And it's going to be quite aggressive energy of being angry or frustrated. 2nd of August, we have the Page of Pentacles. It's like just the start of something brand new in your life, Virgo. Just the start of something brand new. Just, it's like it has the potential to become something really big in the coming future. But this is actually something that might start as a very small thing, as a very little thing, but with time, it has the potential to become something really huge. Especially it is related to your business, job, career, or maybe something related to your studies. That is going to become a huge deal in the coming future. Let's see the guidance for you guys here in the for this week, Virgo. We have the Four of Pentacles. Whatever you are going to hold on to, whether it's a good thing or bad thing, whatever you are going to hold on to desperately in your life is going to get out of your hands, is going to be delayed, more difficult to deal with, more difficult to get in your life, more difficult to hold on to. Like if you are scared that you're going to lose something or someone, so you're holding on to that particular person or situation like crazy, stop doing that. You're definitely going to lose that person or situation in your life if you are not going to be flexible and open enough to the idea of letting it go and letting it be. Whatever or whosoever is supposed to be with you, it's going to be there for you. Okay, you don't have to be miserable, you don't have to attach yourself too much to a particular person or situation and then feel like shit when they are not there, or that situation is not there. You have to learn to operate with or without certain people, situations, or circumstances that you believe are important for you. That's how detachment works, right? So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Virgo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.